Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder Foundation. So I saw a lot of videos earlier in the week of people raving about this product, and of course I had to run to Sephora to see what all the hype was about. But anyways, I'm not going to drag this intro out like crazy long. We're just going to get straight into the video. Alright guys, so I already have my brows and my eye makeup on, and so I didn't do any complexion products for the sole purpose of this video, so we're going to just get straight into it. I'm just going to go ahead and prime with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Primer. And this I did pick up today as well because I wanted to make sure that I was using a Fenty product along with the powder foundation. And then I think, like, honestly, because my skin is breaking out like so bad right now, I think it'll be just a good chance to see like how much coverage this powder offers. So all right, so we're all primed up. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some concealer as well. And I am using the Fenty concealer. I am so excited to try this powder because I saw so many people just talking about this powder, and so of course your girl had to go and get it. So that's just with some concealer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move into setting this concealer with the Fenty Loose Banana Powder. Alright guys, so it's time for what you guys have come here for, and that is the start of the show, the Pro Filt'r Powder Foundation. So anyway, of course, I am done with the concealer, I'm done with the loose powder, and so first impressions, like the packaging, I think it's fine, it's okay. It is the definitely like the typical like Fenty Beauty look. So when I open the package, it has just a mirror here on the front side, and then of course you get your powder foundation, and then when you lift it up, you get a sponge in order to apply your foundation. So and I think it's so cute that they kept, like, you know, they kept the shape of the whole like Fenty packaging and everything like that. So I did get the shade 300, and I think I want to apply it with the sponge, and then I might move into applying it with a brush. I don't know. Anyways, but I'm going to just try it with this sponge just to see. So I'm just going to rub some here just to make sure I pick up some product. And I am trying to pick up a good amount so that I actually see what it looks like. And of course, like, you guys can see like some blemishes still here just from some discoloration on my skin. So I'm just going to go and start applying it right on top. So it's honestly not bad. It's covering pretty well, and I'm just patting as I'm going. Let me get my hair out of the way so you guys can really see. But I'm just patting. So far, I definitely can see that it is, here it says that it is medium to full coverage. So it's light as air, and it's a flawless filter effect. So I can definitely see that it is medium to full coverage because I feel like it is covering pretty well. I still can see a little bit of the blemishes peeking through, but I'm just gonna do one more. Oh, that is so nice. And I feel like, of course, like it's not anything to like mention the shade range that Fenty has, but this is absolutely stunning. It is absolutely stunning. It is giving me some coverage, like I said. The color is absolutely beautiful. It's a perfect match for me. Like, absolutely stunning. All right, guys, so I have applied the powder foundation all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back just with the rest of the review. All right, guys, so I am back and I have the rest of my makeup on, and as you guys can see, like, my makeup looks absolutely flawless. So I can definitely say that I am super duper impressed with this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder. But of course, like, I didn't expect anything less. Across the board, the shade range is amazing. This is the exact match for me. The packaging is absolutely adorable. Of course, it's just keeping with the whole like Fenty theme. Of course, the price point, it's gonna be what it's gonna be, considering it is considered a prestige brand. But overall, like, this product is so versatile. Like, of course, you can use a loose brush, you can get light coverage, you can use a sponge like I did if you want a more fuller coverage, or you can put it on top of your foundation. So it's completely up to you. But anyways, I am definitely gonna have to say that this product is a yes for me. So I am definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of this powder. I feel like it's just something that is so quick and easy, especially on days where I'm lazy and I want to look put together, but I don't want to do a whole lot of work. This is going to be my go-to. But anyways, if you guys have tried the product yourself, or if you are interested in trying the product, like, please leave me a comment down below. Again, I am in the shade 300, just for reference, in case any of you guys are similar skin tones to me. But anyways, guys, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I would really appreciate it. But anyways, guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.